How to send one-on-one messages to your customers using HelloSend. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to start meaningful conversations with your audience, the easy way. First, select the contact you'd like to message from your list, then click HelloSend DM to open the direct messaging window. Here you can craft a one-on-one message tailored to your customer. Choose from ready-made templates or type your own custom message. It's up to you. Once your message is ready, simply click Send to deliver it instantly. Want to enhance your message? You can easily upload media files like images, videos, or documents to add more depth. Plus, use emojis to bring a friendly, expressive tone to your conversations. And when you need a little help fine-tuning your message, our AI assistant is here to support you. With just one click, you can rephrase your content to sound professional, friendly, enthusiastic, or supportive, whatever fits your tone best. Now you know how to use HelloSend to connect with your customers. Simply, quickly, and effectively. Start your conversations today and make every message count. Thanks for using HelloSend.